When it comes to medical device development and the new technology that we have, there is a big disconnect between what really happens, say, in the operating room and the technology that we're trying to bring into it. As surgeons, we try to describe what it is we need. We could even show videos of what's going on in the OR. But from the engineer standpoint, the scientist standpoint, A, it's really hard for them to come into the OR. And B, even if they could come in, they can't really operate on the patient. And there's a lot that you miss there, from even starting with the approach to the very peculiar challenges that's almost indescribable. I thought for this opportunity and the resources that Dr. Kim has, I would actually teach her this surgery on a cadaver with a very highly simulated OR setting and really immerse and feel the surgery. And I think that would help a lot.
As an engineer working at CAMLS, one of the most important things that I do that is crucial is to interact with actual physicians who are utilizing different medical devices and systems for their operations, whether it's diagnosis, surgeries, etc. Now, the challenge for me is that if I'm just building something based on the information that's given out there, whether it's from internet or doctors just telling me, oh, this is hard for me, it's really difficult for me to really understand what's causing them to have that problem. And without knowing those root causes, it's nearly impossible for me to come up with a product that can truly be translated into their daily lives. I started interacting with other surgeons out there, different universities and whatnot. I wanted to hear their experiences. I wanted to come up with strategies and better design for the product that I'm trying to make. And while doing so, I connected with Dr. Liu. He gave a very detailed description of, oh, these are the challenges, these are the constraints. But as I was building the product, I wasn't clearly able to understand how to utilize the device on a patient. Looking at the images or videos out there is just not enough. And what's cool about working at CAMLS is that we can actually work with real cadavers and the patients with the physician so that I'm able to see what they're actually experiencing. I can truly experience what's causing them to have those struggles and incorporate that into my engineering solution.
I think these types of collaboration, we just need a lot more of it. I think if there are more facilities like this, we can speed up that development process. In that sense, you could see a facility like this to be an incubator and really an accelerator to the clinical setting.
My hope is this small collaboration can start expanding larger and larger, and hopefully maybe it'll generate even other ideas that we haven't thought of.
We're super excited. I think it's a first step. I think it's probably going to set a huge trend. I think a lot of people will copy this idea, and I couldn't be more grateful to use the tremendous resources here.